Hello everyone, welcome to the CAD course. In this playlist, I'll be showing some videos for the tutorials that we cover in class. Now, the first time you open SolidWorks, the software that we're using, you have the option to select part, assembly, or drawings. In this level, we're just working with parts. So if you double click or you just select part and then OK, a new part will be open. Now, usually, students make the mistake of when I want to close a specific part, they go and close the whole software. So this is the software. Don't close this, and you can close only the single part you opened. So this is the part, but the software is still open because usually the software takes more time to open again. Now, again, I'll open new, and I can select part, double click. So the first thing you have to check in this page is the X, Y, and Z. Because the 3D drawing, you can look to the same object from different views. This axis, X, Y, and Z, the three axes, shows exactly where are you looking at. In this page or pan, you can see that the front plane, so if you click the front plane, so you are looking from this side. If you check the top plane, that means you are looking from top view. If you are looking at right plane, this is the right view. I have many tabs now. It's features. The selected tab is features. I can go to sketches. I can go to markup, evaluate, and other stuff. So usually we start by making sketch. Sketch tab is for 2D drawings. Okay. This point, until this point, I'm not creating anything yet. So to start the drawing, I have to go to Sketch tab and click the command Sketch. So it will ask me which plane I'm using now. Is it front plane, top view, or right plane? Which one? So I will select, for example, the front plane. Now when you select the front plane, you shifted from the 3D view to 2D view. You can see only X and Y compared to X, Y, Z previously. Now you are inside the sketch. You are inside a sketch. How I know that? This confirmation for the sketch or canceling the sketch. And I can see that I'm working in sketch number 1. The tools available to us is, for example, circle. Anytime I select a command, it shows me how I can make it. It says select the center and then go and determine the stopping point. So I'll just follow the instructions. I'll just select this origin and I'll just go and check. The mouse itself has different features. Now you can see that it's a pencil with a circle. That means I'm inside the circle command. It's highlighted in here. If I want to skip, I'll just press the escape icon in the keyboard. If I go and check line, again, the pencil is shown and the line command is there. Starting point, stopping point, second point, and then I can stop. Escape again. If I want to create a rectangle, I'll just go and check the rectangle. Starting point and end point. Still, I'm inside the command, so I have to go and escape if I want to remove that selection. There is the Smart Dimension tool. Smart Dimension tool, it's highlighted now and the mouse looks like the dimension thing. So if I click the line, it shows me the length of the line, which is 5. If I select the circle, it shows me the diameter of the circle, which is, I can change that to 8. And so on. If I select the circle and then I click the rectangle, it shows me the distance between center of the circle and the rectangle, and I can make it 10. Now you can see that the circle is black, the color, so that means it's fully defined. This circle cannot move anywhere because its center is fixed to the origin and its diameter is 8, while the rectangle, I can see that this line can move, so it's free to move. It's underdefined or it's not fully defined unless I decide the height to be 3. Now, the rectangle now is fully defined, but its location is not determined yet in y-axis. You can see that the distance from the origin is 10, but vertically it's free to move unless, for example, I say that distance between the circle and this line is 3.5 or maybe 4. Now the rectangle is fully defined. Now, when I finish this, I'm done with the sketch. I'm done with one single sketch. If I go to this icon, I can check the top view of my drawing. From the top view, it seems like one straight line. From the front view, it's something like this. From the right view, it's something like this. From the isometric view, the 3D view, it's the accurate thing. If I want to edit the sketch, I'll just right click and edit the sketch. I'm still in the XYZ, the 3D view. If I go and check the front plane as usual, I can select and delete. I can select many stuff, then I can delete. I can select and delete, and so on. If I confirm again, the same sketch will have only one single circle. If I press the roll in the mouse roller, I can rotate to look at different views. X, Y, Z will move while I'm rotating. Now, if I'm done with the sketch, I can go to Features and Extrude. If I select the circle, it asks me how much I want to add the thickness. If I type in here maybe 20 and then confirm, I have this cylinder. So that 2D sketch, that circle is extruded now to something like this cylinder. I can keep rotating to look at different views. If I want to check the top view again, for example, I can see that it's the cylinder. If I check the front plane, it is a circle, and so on. So this is basically the drawing. Once you are done with the drawing, you can close the part, not the software, and you can save everything. And you can have a specific folder, example desktop, and you can keep it as maybe part 8 or whatever name you like. Part 8, 8, 8, 3 8s, and then you can save. So in this case, if I close the part, I can open that file from desktop, and I'll go and check find the part 888, open. It will open again, and I'll be able to edit the features and everything. If I want to edit the extrude, that thickness, I'll go right click, feature, edit, and then I'll just reduce it to maybe 10, and then I will confirm, and so on. If I close, I have to save again. Desktop, I have this file available, that's part 888. Now, this part, the SolidWorks part, can be sent to USB, can be sent to email, and it's a normal file now. Okay, that was the first tutorial to use the software, and thank you for watching the video.